was in the backseat chillin', stereo bumping the old classics, feeling hazy, man, my long neck keeps spilling. Gotta make a move to the city, bigger dreams so green on the other side. Man, you know I'm down with that, cause once you find trouble then you can't look back. And that's the only thing right here, right now for me. Gotta break the chain, it will set me free. I'll be free, free like a bird, I swear. I'm finna make a few moves like a musical chair, cause man, you never know where you're gonna end up sitting when the tables turn and people learn that you're winning. Woo, it's a long way down, we came a long damn way up. So hand me the crown so I can throw it to the ground and then step on it. Nobody told me it would be like this. Filled with lonely nights, stuck with these thoughts in my head. All these words are right, that it's a lonely road, so I just keep my cap low in this cold world. I can only run, I can never hide. I can only see my world inside. I can only run, I can never hide. I can only see my world, see my world. I can only, I can never hide. I can only run, I can only see my world, see my world. I can only. Yeah, let me take him back to 2-0-0. Suited up, running laps, go Kathy go. Go Kathy go, go Kathy go. Yeah, I'm running through this track, bow down for that gold. I'ma stand on the podium with my fist in the sky. Let a young brother testify, let a young brother preach. Let a young brother preach. Now watch me Sonny build this beat. Probably Benji Marshall out there somewhere right now. Yeah, yeah, stepping through the street. Yeah, this ain't a rap career. I'm about to start standing up for the brothers in here. So, bro, what would you do if you were 22, half a million too? All the baddest ladies wants the funks with you. You would never be on the front page of the news, bruh. Me, I'll be faded every weekend, smashing more ladies than Aubrey on the weekend. I got 50 cousins, bruh, so let us all in. Hold up, I hear TMZ calling like, bruh. Filled with lonely nights, stuck with these thoughts in my head. All these words are right, that it's a lonely road, so I just keep my cap low in this cold world. I can only run, I can never hide. I can only see my world inside. I can only run, I can never hide. I can only see my world, see my world. I can only, I can never hide. I can only run, I can only see my world, see my world. I can only. Yeah, I'm feeling like the old me. I'm feeling like the old me. Let's break our way, let's change our way, way back to how we used to be. I'm feeling stuck in a timeline. The shit just don't feel right. We make sure everything is alright before we make a few plans at night. And I feel we work too hard just to pay our way each day. So baby, let's run away, never think about another day. Hey, fast forward, champagne sipping on the beach, we kicking in the water dipping. Wake up to the smell of the ocean, sun lotion, we young, cause I don't give a fuck about tomorrow, as long as I'm with you. Together we can drown the sorrow, as long as I'm with you, with you. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Baby, maybe one day we can make it someday. Hit the club and we can get it poppin' on a Sunday. Cause you ain't gotta work, you ain't gotta hurt. I'ma take away the pain and replace it with the purse. And you sick of shopping in a store, on to the next one. You ain't gotta ride the bus, now it's a Lexus. We used to move around these blocks, playing Tetris. Now we rollin' every day, like playing for the Texans. They said we couldn't do it, yeah they hated, made fun. We had to stay up paying bills, patty meals, lay up, so pray up. Baby girl, now just bow your head. Tell the haters not to get it twisted, Waka Flocka's dreads. We the realest you will ever know, never let it go. And you never left me, so the next stop, now you will never know. Nah, you will never know. Let's worry about today and just forget about tomorrow. Like, as long
fuck about tomorrow.